Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll listen to a fun and relatable English conversation between two friends who ordered food online, but it's taking forever to arrive. They're hungry, frustrated, and full of expressions you can use in your daily English conversations. This is a great way to learn how to express emotions, ask questions, and use casual spoken English naturally. So stay tuned and learn to speak English fluently through real conversations. Ugh, it's already been over an hour since we ordered. I'm starving. Seriously. We ordered at 7:15, right? It's almost 8:30 now. What's taking them so long? I checked the app. It's still showing preparing your order. Like, how long does it take to make 2 burgers and fries? I know. And the worst part? I skipped lunch today thinking I'd have a big dinner. Big mistake. Same. I even kept refreshing the app every 5 minutes. First, it was restaurant confirmed, then preparing. And now it's just stuck. Did you try calling the restaurant? Yeah, I called them 20 minutes ago. The guy said the food was ready, but they were waiting for the delivery partner to pick it up. Wow. So it's just sitting there, getting cold? Pretty much. And I'm losing my patience. Should we cancel and order from somewhere else? But even if we do that, it'll take another 40 minutes. We've already waited this long. Ugh. Yeah, true. I hate this feeling. Like, you plan your evening around the food and then boom, nothing. And the worst part is, I was actually looking forward to this meal all day. I even told my mom not to cook. Haha, me too. I told everyone, don't worry, I'm treating us tonight. What a fail. And you know what's funny? They had a 30-minute delivery promise banner on the app. What a joke. Yeah, and then they say, delivery times may vary due to high demand. Classic. Did you try chatting with customer support? I did. I got a bot at first. Then finally, a real person joined and just said, we're sorry for the inconvenience. That's it. No refund, no coupon, nothing. Nope. Just a please wait patiently. I'm like, bro, I'm waiting hungrily, not patiently. That's a good one. I swear we should make a meme about this. Totally. Expectation, food in 30 minutes, reality, starving by 9 p.m. At this rate, we might as well go out and pick something up ourselves. I was actually thinking that. If we had done that an hour ago, we'd be done eating by now. Or even just made Maggie. Instant food, zero drama. Yeah, but now we've already committed to this. What if the guy rings the bell right when we start cooking? That always happens. The moment you give up, boom, there it is. You know what? Let's give it 10 more minutes. If there's no update, I'm canceling and making sandwiches. Deal. Honestly, I'd even settle for toast and jam at this point. Same. This is like the universe telling us to stop being lazy, or just to keep emergency snacks in stock. Lesson learned. Next time we order, we do it earlier, and we don't put all our hopes into a delivery app. Agreed. But also, if it does show up in the next 5 minutes, I'm still eating everything. Cold or not. Huh, 100%. I'll microwave it if I have to. Just give me food already. Fingers crossed. Let's see who gives up first, us or the delivery guy. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.